We often get questions from renters, what type of window blind or shade could we put on our window that would do the least amount of damage to the window? And the first thing that we would suggest is to work with your landlord and go through your lease and make sure that you can install something in the window. And if you can, there are many window coverings that work in a simple window opening that would not void the warranty on the window or cause damage. However, one of the questions we get asked on a regular basis is there something that I can install in the window that we don't have to drill into the window for? And you can. We feature the Hunter Douglas Duet Architella with Track Glide, and it's designed for those situations where you want to stick something to the window and not drill into the window. And a lot of people might ask the question, okay, well, how do you stick a blind to the window? Hunter Douglas is pretty innovative. They actually incorporated 3M adhesive strips that they use to install trim like on your cars so that the side molding and the trim on your cars doesn't come off. And that is the adhesive strip that they use on the window coverings. And so these particular honeycomb style shades in this Track Glide system will go in a window and mount without using a drill, without using a screw, and mounting it directly to the window. Another place that those work really well are on your loft style tilt and turn windows where you don't actually have a window casement. You have an aluminum or steel window that you can actually tilt or turn to open and close the window. In that case, there's no wood or any trim around the window to be able to mount into. And the Duet Track Glide system with the 3M adhesive on the back works very well. It is a high strength adhesive that is guaranteed not to come off of the window in normal use circumstances. Yeah, I think from a renting perspective, it's very tricky to install something in the windows because at the end of the day, they're not your windows. So one of the most important things that you need to understand is how is the home constructed? What type of header board is above the window? How deep is the window framing? These are all questions that you might know if you built the house or you might have had inspected if you purchased a house that was already there. But as a renter, you're there in somebody else's home that they own. And it would be very important to consult with someone that knows exactly what they're doing, like we do, with any type of window blind or shade before attempting to mount that into a window that may not be yours. You can use most window coverings in windows without damaging the window, but like anything else, it comes down to making sure that it's installed correctly and you use the right tools. Our installers make sure that they pre-drill all holes for brackets and any other attachment that might attach the blind or shade to the window so that we make sure we don't split the woodwork. We always test the depth of our screws on any doors to make sure that we don't screw through the door and come out the other side. And we always make sure that the material we're going into around the window is part of the window casing and not the window itself. If you were to install into the window itself, it would void the manufacturer's warranty on the window. If you ever had a seal failure or a leakage, it wouldn't be covered by the manufacturer because of the way the blind or shade was installed. For that reason, I would always involve a professional company like ours to come out and make sure that we're mounting in the right place and that we use the proper tools to make sure that they're installed. However, with a lot of good research and consulting with a local company, you might be able to accomplish installing it yourself, making sure that you cross your T's and dot your I's as to not cause any further damage to a window.